Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna to discuss about daily analysis for tomorrow. So before starting today's levels, let's discuss about what happened yesterday, what we shared the levels and today market. Okay, if you see, we shared this range yesterday and we got flat opening, and thereafter it retested our orange level, that is the range we already discussed in yesterday's video, and from range it gave some moment and again came back. One who have trailed their stop loss, they might have book profit, or else your stop loss might have hit according to our rules which we discussed. Thereafter we got a very good downside momentum, and yes, obviously targeted for 19,593, but in between itself we formed a W bottom and we got a upside move. And the most important thing which I would want to discuss here is, if you see in this total momentum, if you see this overall move, there is only few red candles. If you see two candles here and one candle here, the importance after that it directly formed a red candle at top of our range, but in the below of our range we got a red candle, which means it's respected our levels, and thereafter it directly traveled to the other end of our range. So range usually happens this, you have to take the chances here. Once the range accepts it is likely to travel to the other side of the range, but sometimes these are also happens like in the middle of the range it may come and again breach out our range. So you have to keep trailing your stop loss. And yes, even if you give small stop loss here, but I think you might have covered everything in this particular range. You can see very good momentum we got from our levels which we discussed on previous day. Now let's move to bank nifty. Compared to nifty, it's like bank nifty we got a very good moves according to what we have discussed in the weekly analysis. In the same day we have also given intraday levels, and in the similar case we got a flat opening and thereafter a retest here. And I clearly said in that video, only we will think about buying only if this range accepts above the range. If something close above the range, then only we go for long positions, as we discussed. And I clearly said that if it crossing this particular brown color level, then we can directly go for short. And you can see we got a retracement and short. Thereafter again, as usual, we kept target of 44,277, but in between in the similar case happened. And if you see the similar case here also repeated, if you see the complete rally, we got very few red candles. That means we got rejection from our levels in this rally. And thereafter you can see, after once the range accepts, it's almost covered our range, and from that range to again came back to our brown level which we discussed. And in the yesterday's video I clearly also said that this particular line 44,849 is a key level where compared to this, because I already said once the range accept you have to book your profits here, because 44,849 is an important level for Monday. So now let's discuss about tomorrow's market. Okay, so tomorrow is FinNifty expiry, but if you are interested for FinNifty levels also, comment below. I will share in the Telegram channel morning itself if you guys comment, or else like I am not going to share the levels. But let's discuss about Nifty 50. Now it's very interesting for tomorrow. If you see yesterday our levels, today our levels respected so good. So similarly I'm expecting, if Nifty 50 opens flat, then I will wait until it comes to 19,593 and 19,610. So this is going to be a very important zone, because the strength it's shown today, okay, the strength from our demand zone. If you see, go to Nifty, and if you see from the demand zone, we got a good reaction. It formed a doji candle. So now if this move should sustain, then this is going to be a low. Like for this particular retracement, I feel this should be a low. At least it should break above 19,722. So for that, it's going to be a very good zone. In between this, we will In between this zone, we will try to go for long opportunities. We will find long opportunities, and we will trade by keeping risk below 19,593. And in the similar case, if this range accepts, then obviously we see touching the other side of the range. And some important points you have to remember is, if we get breach of this zone, particular 1916 and 19,593, then we may see 19,518. And even if 19,518 breaks, then we may see some good fall, but we will discuss. If that situation comes, I will update in the Telegram channel. You stay update, join the Telegram channel with the name of the Indus Trader. And even today we made a live session. We took a live session for almost like 284 minutes. Like, if possible, I will also take the live tomorrow. So join here, and I share the important updates here. You can see I shared some strategy also today. So make sure you join the Telegram channel for important updates. So that's happened for the short side. Because I'm not sharing short side, I'm not feeling it will breach out 19,518. So if happens, because stock market, anything is possible. So if that happens, I will give all the updates in the Telegram. So make sure you join in the Telegram channel. Now coming to this 19,722 is a very key level. Okay. If Nifty sustains above this level, then we may see Nifty moving towards 19,927. In between, we do not have much levels. Yes, this might be a level where Nifty may wait for some time or make a little bit consolidation, and thereafter we may see a breakout towards 19,927. So now what are the trade plans I gonna to do is, the first thing, if I get Nifty to this zone, then I will plan a buy trade, the first one. If this level breaches out, then I will buy a sell, I will plan a sell trade. This is second one. And if it again gives a rejection from this zone, I will plan a sell trade 3. And above this, I will plan a buy trade. And even above this, I will plan a buy trade. So now again, in the similar case, tomorrow I will give importance to the long positions, and I will keep my regular quantity in long positions. I get a long side trade opportunities. If short side, I will go with half of my quantity, or else I will avoid. Especially today, I avoided all the short opportunities. And now let's go to Bank Nifty. So similar case with the Bank Nifty, you can see the zone, but again we got a middle level, just like yesterday we discussed. So it will be a very better idea to take the trades at this range below and range above. You can buy a trades between in this range 44,797 and 44,423. In between this, you can plan your trades. And again, the most important level which I am watching out for tomorrow is 44,936. You can also add some buffer points, that is 44,994. If you see, if you consider this as a zone, okay, let's say this as a zone. So it's very important to, for long trades, it should be very important. Bank Nifty should sustain above 44,936. Then we may see Bank Nifty moving towards 45,339. And in the similar case, if this range breaches out, then I would not plan any sell trade, and again I will try to go for a buy trade from 44,277 till again 44,423. If this range accepts, again I will keep trailing till 44,797. So in the similar case, I will, if you want, you can go sell trades with half quantity and buy trades with regular quantity, whatever you go. But what I personally believe at present situation, or what I am planning, my plan of action is like, I will plan and focus more on long trades compared to the short. And yes, this is going to be my trade plan for tomorrow. And yes, don't forget to join the Telegram channel, because whatever the updates, if any changes in these levels, or I feel according to tomorrow's price action, if I feel any level that is very important for that intraday session, I will update in the Telegram channel. So make sure you don't fail to join in this Telegram channel, I will see you in the Telegram channel tomorrow.
Fearless.